8Bitdo retro mechanical keyboard, Bluetooth, 2.4G, USB-C hot-swappable gaming keyboard with 87 keys, dual super programmable buttons for Windows and Android. In addition, about this item, inspired by the classics, compatible with Windows 10, 1903 or above, and Android 9.0 or above. Connnect via Bluetooth, wireless 2.4G, or wired. 87 key layout. Kailh box switch V2 white die sub PBT keycaps. Top mount style. Hot-swappable PCB. Support and key rollover. Dual super buttons. Offer large programmable keys. Map anything to the super buttons instantly without using software. Classic power status LED with independent control panel. Ultimate software V2 for custom keyboard mapping if you want to buy. Link in the description.